This is a nice geometry question that was asked in YX exams. 93% of the candidates failed to answer this question. Let's solve this step by step so you don't repeat the same mistake. The figure shows a square ABCD with side length 10 centimeters and bottom length 10 centimeters. BC is a diameter describing a semicircle sitting on top of the square. So the shaded region is the semicircle sitting on the square, and this was the required area that was asked by the students to find. Let's delve right into this.
Welcome to Math with Father. Welcome to Math with Father. Subscribe, like and share.
Bottom length AD equals 10 centimeters. Side length BAB is equal to BCD, which is also equal to 10 centimeters. Now the diameter BC also measures 10 centimeters, which is also equal to AD. So it's a square, and for the properties of a square, all the sides are equal. Now BC describes a diameter. So in calculating the area of a circle, area denoted as A is equal to pi r squared, and from the parts of a circle we do know that radius r is equal to half of the diameter. So r is equal to half the diameter, which was given to be 10 centimeters. So r half of 10 gives us 5 equals 5 centimeters. Now with the area formula for a circle, we can substitute in the radius, and the given pi was 22/7 for pi. So let's substitute in this. So area is equal to pi, which is 22/7, by multiplying the radius squared. So 5 centimeters times 5 centimeters. Area is equal to 22/7 by 5 by 5, which is 25 centimeters by centimeters, that is centimeters squared, 25 centimeters squared. So we can simplify this by area is equal to, the simplest way to do this, so never think using a calculator, 22 times 25 is to break this into tens and then ones. So we have 22 times 20, which is 440. 2 times 22 gives us 44, and then we include the 0, making 440. The remaining number here is 5, which is the ones. 22 times 5, so 20 by 5, which is 100, and 2 by 5, that's 10, so 110. 440 plus 110 gives us 550. So for our numerator part, we have 550 centimeters squared all divided by 7. But from our question, we were to find the area of the semicircle sitting on top of the square, and is half the area of the circle. So we are to find half our area of our circle, so which is 550 divided by 7 multiplying half of that. So half of the area of a circle is giving us 550 by 2, which is 275 on 7 centimeters squared. So the area of the shaded portion in decimals gives us 39.2857 centimeters squared. So to two decimal places, our area gives us 39.29 centimeters squared. So this is the area of our shaded region, area for this shaded region, which is 39.29 centimeters squared. This is the area. Try solving similar geometry questions and share your answer in the comments. If this helped, smash the like button, subscribe, and let's
like, and
make
share.
math and science a reality. Thank you. I'm out.